Many auto repair shop owners know they need better marketing, but they do not have time to constantly create social posts, emails, videos, or website content. AI content tools can help by speeding up the process and making it easier to stay visible online. A shop can use AI to generate helpful posts about maintenance tips, seasonal service reminders, customer education, or promotions. This keeps the business active on platforms where customers are already looking. The goal is not to sound robotic. The goal is to make content creation faster so your team can stay consistent. Consistency builds trust, improves visibility, and creates more opportunities for customer engagement. When local businesses show up regularly online, they stay top of mind. America's Best Shops helps repair shops use AI for practical marketing execution so they can produce stronger content without wasting time. Better visibility leads to more awareness, more trust, and ultimately more calls, bookings, and revenue.